Hello everyone, my name is Roger and I'm your local guide. Today's video is going to be about rafting in the jungle, and to be honest, I'm not sure how to describe this tour, but what I'm sure of is that this is one of my favorite tours ever. This tour will begin driving through the jungle for 1 hour, and this is how the road looks like, by the way. Our first stop is going to be this beautiful and typical restaurant in the forest. So this place is where we are going to eat breakfast, but also this is the place where we are going to meet with the rest of the team who are going to provide us all the equipment that we need to have to do rafting. I said beautiful and typical restaurant because these people built this restaurant using, for the most part, only local staff. This is going to sound crazy, but building a house like this is a lot more expensive than building a regular house. And our breakfast will be made out of ingredients from the area, of course. Alright, so we just ate breakfast. It's getting more like shiny because like it's already 8 a.m. So we're just getting ready to go to do rafting. This is so exciting because this river is already in the jungle, so it looks very different than most rivers that you can see. And look, so they are receiving instructions. They're already there to the rafting. Oh my goodness, it looks very beautiful. The river, I'll show you more down there. Good people. And yeah, this is the river. My goodness, I'm so excited.
Ahora, señores, dice en castellano, en español. Patrick,
Push.
Siguen Amazonas. No lo pasa, perdón. ¿De Tesla? Sí. Estos son bebés, por eso da ese color. Y después...
So at first, this tour is going to be very easy and calm, but little by little, everything will going to change. You'll see. When the river is quiet and calm again, we're gonna be able to taste some local fruits as a snack.
Alright, so what I really love about this the rafting in this part of Cusco is that the weather is so hot, first of all. Second, we get to see a lot of mountains and animals and waterfalls like over there. And so it is very exciting to get to enjoy all these views while just here on this boat with amazing people, with an amazing guide, and they all are helping us to really enjoy this trip. And I don't know what else I can say, but I am very happy every time that I do this. So we invite you to do this. So this trip adventure is very safe, so you actually can do this very secure. We have these professionals here with us, so there's not gonna be a problem if something bad happens. But yeah, I really want to I want to join them, so I think this is it for now. Very beautiful, of course. My goodness, they are so happy. Yeah, I need to go there too. All right, here I go. So I just want to show you that it's gonna be safe. Está grabando. Oh my goodness, that was so nice. That was nice, bro.
And that's how you get back to the raft again, by the way. Something that you need to always remember is that this river will be changing pretty often. Sometimes it will be very nice, calm and quiet, but other times will be quite scary, but it's gonna be alright.
Es húngaro, dice. Oye, es que... 1, 2 y 3. Thank you. My turn.
We were for 3 hours on that beautiful raft, and I was talking to the rest of the group and we couldn't believe that we were 3 hours on that raft, and it just felt like we were just 20 minutes maximum because we were having so much fun. And all I can say is that it was such a great experience. Totally recommended. My dear friends, I am not a YouTuber, I am not a vlogger. What I'm trying to do with these videos is just I want to show you all the tours that you can do near Cusco. But my special focus is on providing tours that no one is talking about. I want you to go to private places where you are going to really enjoy food, people, places, nature, and whatever is needed to really have a nice trip. The tour will end with typical food, and depending on your diet, we will order the best choice for you. If you need more information, go to the description down below.